to our YouTube channel Odisha Railway Study Point. Let's start the previous year official question paper of RRB NTPC. If your fundamental right have been tarnished by the state, then what is the basic right that citizen can appeal to the court against? Your right answer is right to constitutional measures. Option B is your correct answer. Table tennis Olympics was the year recognition as the Olympic Games. Your right answer is 1988. Option B is your correct answer. What is the world seventh largest country in terms of area? Your right answer is India. Option A is your correct answer. The tendency to convert fluid to any temperature below the boiling point is called dash. Your right answer is evaporation. Option A is your correct answer. Who was the president of the Lahore Congress Convention? Your right answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. Option A is your correct answer. Which of the following state get the longest coastline? Your right answer is Gujarat. Option B is your correct answer. Which of the following has built the Mount Abubar Jain Temple? Your right answer is Bimal Saha. Option A is your correct answer. What is the minimum age qualification for India? Your right answer is 35. Option D is your correct answer. Which of these organizations procure food from the minimum support price MSP farmers declared by the government? Your right answer is Indian Food Corporation. Option A is your correct answer. The Parliament of India is involved in dash. Your right answer is Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha and President of India. Option D is your correct answer. When was the Delhi High Court established in India? Your right answer is 1966. Option C is your correct answer. Regarding 2003 Financial Responsibility and Budget Management Law dash. Your right answer is Financial Improvement and Expenditure Policies. Option D is your correct answer. According to 2011 census, the gender ratio in our country is dash. Your right answer is 943 women out of 1000 men. Option B is your correct answer. Who has written the book Inquiry into the Nature and Causes of the Wealth of Nation? Your right answer is Adam Smith. Option B is your correct answer. By changing the rate at which RBI provide loan to commercial bank, it can affect the funding. This rate is called dash. Your right answer is bank rate. Option C is your correct answer. Who developed the goddess vaccine? Your right answer is Edward Jenner. Option D is your correct answer. The Palki Strait separate Sri Lanka from dash. Your right answer is India. Option A is your correct answer. Which of these was formed a Gandhian scheme in 1944? Your right answer is Mr. Narayan Agrawal. Option D is your correct answer. According to 2011 census, India's literacy rate is dash. Your right answer is 74%. Option A is your correct answer. Which of the following sports type is associated with the term libero? Your right answer is volleyball. Option B is your correct answer. Project Tiger was started in dash year? Your right answer is 1973. Option B is your correct answer. When was the partition of Bengal? Your right answer is 1905. Option B is your correct answer. Nobody was awarded the Nobel Prize in 1922 for the work on the structure of atomic structure. Your right answer is Niels Bohr. Option C is your correct answer. What is the first active satellite transmitted by India? Your right answer is Aryabhatta. Option C is your correct answer. Which of the following is connected to the surface of the musculoskeletal RER surface? Your right answer is ribosome. Option D is your correct answer. Which of the following is connected to the surface of the musculoskeletal area surface. Your right answer is ribosome. Option D is your correct answer. Which of these civil disobedience movement was organized in Tamil Nadu? Your right answer is C. Rajgopalachari. Option A is your correct answer. Which country is known as the land of the rising sun? Your right answer is Japan. Option C is your correct answer. With which of these country are India border connected? Your right answer is Afghanistan. Option C is your correct answer. Which emergency does the term emergency announcement denoted? Your right answer is national emergency. Option B is your correct answer. The event of Buddha life are given in dash. Your right answer is Jatakatale. Option C is your correct answer. Dash due to the formation of the plasma phase in the stars. Your right answer is very high temperature. Option B is your correct answer. Under which article does the right to information get an explanation for the offense being arrested for the offense? Your right answer is article 22. Option C is your correct answer. Who is the capital of Uzbekistan? Your right answer is Tashkent. Option B is your correct answer. Dash was the official mascot of the 2018 Commonwealth Game. Your right answer is Barbie. Option A is your correct answer. What was the first nuclear test code of India? Your right answer is Laughing Buddha. Option C is your correct answer. If a member is absent for a period of dash without permission, then the member's seat can be declared as empty by the house. Your right answer is 60 days. Option A is your correct answer. Amravati style of architecture is associated with which of these state? Your right answer is Andhra Pradesh. Option D is your correct answer. Which of the following rivers is known as river of sadness? Your right answer is Damodar. Option D is your correct answer. The pituitary gland is connected to dash. Your right answer is brain. Option C is your correct answer. Which charter law emanated the East India Company monopoly business in India? Your right answer is Charter Act 1813. Option A is your correct answer. Which of the following system is said to be the Magna Carta of English literature in India? Your right answer is Wood Khalita. Option C is your correct answer. Which of the following is associated with the Bhala Fek game? Your right answer is, or javelin throw. Your right answer is Neeraj Chopra. Option A is your correct answer. What paragraph cannot be suspended at the night of the emergency? Your right answer is Article 20 and Article 21. What paragraph cannot be suspended at the time of the emergency? Article 20 and Article 21. Option A is your correct answer. The composition of creation of ornament handwriting is called as? Your right answer is calligraphy. Option C is your correct answer. How many musical instruments are there in the human voice matching? Your right answer is 2. Option A is your correct answer. Which of the following is the original Indian sports? Your right answer is Kho-Kho. Option D is your correct answer. When an object is released freely from a certain height, what is the effect on the energy of it? Your right answer is potential energy decreases and kinetic energy increases. P is equal to mgh and k is equal to half mv square. Its formula: a person who is not a member of parliament does not belong to any house. Such person can be appointed as the Prime Minister of India for a maximum period of dash. Your right answer is 6 months. Option B is your correct answer. Who is known as father of gymnastics? Your right answer is Frederick Ludwig John. Option D is your correct answer. All the representatives have been jointly elected, administered, guided by the Indian government. Your right answer is Parliament. Option D is your correct answer. I hope you like these sections. If you have daily hard work for your aim, you get your success in your life. Otherwise, no one can help you to reach on your goal. It is the bad truth of your life. Let's bye bye. Have a nice day. Jai Bharat, Jai Hind.